How do I switch between devices while using Snapchat?
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing a commonly asked question: how do I switch between devices while using Snapchat? The process is straightforward, and we'll guide you through it step by step.
Why would you need to switch devices?
First, let's talk about why you might want to switch between devices on Snapchat. There are various reasons for this. Maybe your primary device is running out of battery, or you'd like to use Snapchat on a device with a better camera. Whatever the reason, Snapchat makes it easy to switch between devices, and we're going to show you how.
Logging out of Snapchat on the first device.
To start with, you need to log out of your Snapchat account on the first device. Here are the steps. 1. Open Snapchat on your current device. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. 3. Tap on the settings cog icon in the top right corner of your profile page. 4. Scroll down and click on Log Out.
Logging into Snapchat on the second device.
After you've successfully logged out of Snapchat on the first device, you can now log into your Snapchat account on the second device. Here's how. 1. Open Snapchat on your second device. 2. On the login screen, enter your username or email and your password. 3. Tap Login. Please note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to verify your identity through the chosen method before you can log in on the second device. Switching between devices while using Snapchat is as simple as logging out from one device and logging in on another. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy snapping, and remember, if you have any other Snapchat-related questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.